Start. I am happy to be with you this morning to inaugurate your annual session and to attend your national conference. Speaking at such important business conferences is a matter of pleasure for me. But before accepting the invitation from the organizers this time, I wondered whether the pleasure of inaugurating your annual session comes with a price tag because for the third consecutive year, the CII's annual session has been inaugurated by a different Prime Minister. Your President has said some good words about me in his welcome remarks. They are no doubt pleasing to my ears, but they also reminded me of the enormous expectations people have from me and from my government. In the recently concluded general elections, the people have given a mandate to the BJP and its allies to govern. At the same time, it is a fractured mandate. The challenge before us is to do full justice to our job even though we have a fractured mandate. I assure you that in spite of some teething problems, the people's desire to see a stable, strong, and action oriented government in New Delhi will be fulfilled. We have accepted the challenge. The theme for this conference, bringing growth back, economy, education, and employment, captures in a nutshell the main thrust of our national agenda for governance, which is the blueprint for our policies, and as such, there is a happy convergence of the government and the Indian industry. Such a participating relationship will enable India to realize her full potential of economic growth and the well being of our people. I have good reason to be empathetic on this point. Today, not only the global standing of a nation, but also its security, integrity, and stability, indeed, its very existence as a nation, is dependent on its economic strength. I therefore firmly believe that the time has come to insulate the nation's economy as much as possible from the turmoil in its democratic polity. It is high time all sections of our society, including those in business, industry, and politics, sank their partisan obsessions and focused their attention on the all important national imperative: growth, more growth, and still more growth. With the union budget due for presentation, it is an opportune time to spell out our philosophy. Full stop.